601.
Wait, what?
Good afternoon, or actually good morning, 601.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good
Okay.
morning.
Good morning, Mr. R.
Good morning, everyone.
All right, here we go. Let's get right to work. Yeah, let's get it up. Just give me 1 second. Here we go. All right, here's what we're going to be working with today. All right, so today's standard we're working with is 6.NS.4. It deals with the greatest common factor, which is what we did yesterday, as well as the least common multiple. Today, you will be able to, at the end of the lesson and throughout class, be able to find the least common multiple of whole numbers and apply them to real-world situations. Today's scholars, you will learn how to find the LCM of two numbers and apply to the real-world situations by using arms. Important vocabulary words. Mr. R, are you able to see that?
I am. Least, guys, the smallest number in a set. Common, what's the same for a set and factor? Numbers that are multiplied to get a product. Answer to a multiplication problem. Least common multiple, however, is a little bit more different this time, so pay attention. You might get confused. The smallest number they have in common. Skip counting. So briefly, Ms. Canella, if you could scroll down slowly.
Sure.
Show you guys the first example. Right here is perfect. To find the least common multiple, do the following. Step 1, list the number of multiples for each number. Step 2, find the smallest number they have in common other than 0. Examples: 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42. That's exactly like me saying 7 times 1, 7 times 2, 7 times 3, 7 times 4, 7 times 5, 7 times 6, and so on. Same thing with 6. 6 times 5, that's 5, right? Yeah, 5 times 0 is 0. 5 times 1 is 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Now, the one that you get, that's called skip counting. Now, the one that you have in common in between 5 and 7 in that case, and in that matter, is the number 35. If you look down below, it says, how do you find the least common multiple of 12 and 15? Obviously, 12 is listed, but I need somebody to help me, and the first one on my list is Andrew. So, Andrew, what is the multiples of the number 15, sir? How can that help me? Andrew, you're muted, so if you're saying something funny, I didn't even laugh, sir.
15 times 1 is 15.
Okay, keep on. What's after 15?
30.
After that?
45.
Yep, after that?
60.
Good. So now, what is the least common multiple there, sir? Between those two numbers, 12 and 15. What do they have in common? There you go. You see that? And you got the first one. I hope you guys are catching on. Who's next on my list? Joel. Joel, you got the first one, okay? You're going to read it out loud and you're going to answer the questions, okay? Using the arms method. Here we go.
Go ahead, Joelle.
What question?
Right here, number 1, model problem
Model
1.
problem number 1.
Find the least common multiple of 2 and 12.
Bingo. So what are you finding? Least what?
Least common multiple of 2 and 12.
Good. And now restate that question. You can't. It's just LCM of 2 and 12. So find it. Whoa. So
What was
Anaya, I have no idea what that was, Anaya, but yeah. Let's continue. Okay, so least common multiple now for modeling. That'll be great. LCM. And then we're going to go to the last one to solve. So, Joel, you ready? Multiples of 2, go.
2 times 1. No.
Don't do it like that. Just count by 2s.
Skip count. 2.
6, 8, 10,
Yeah.
12, 14.
We can stop right there. Now, multiples of 12.
12, 24.
12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is
Keep
12.
going.
Keep going. You got this.
46, 48, 57, 60.
Perfect.
There you go. Perfect. You can stop right there. Now, tell me a favor, Andrew. Joel. What's the least common multiple?
12.
Good, sir. Good job.
Everyone see what he did? Because now we're going to take this and apply it to a word problem where we have to do this and another step.
Guess what? Anaya, you're next.
And let me just erase this so we have it. All right. Next, Anaya, number 2. You're going to tell us what to write, kiddo, please.
Okay.
Go ahead, take it away. All you now.
Imagine to buy the same number of stamps and envelopes. Stamps are sold in packs of 6. Envelopes are sold. So what you're going to do is we're going to annotate stamps are sold in packs of 6, and that envelopes are sold in packs of 4.
Stamp. Keep going.
And then we need to know how many. We need to know what's the least number of stamps and envelopes Elijah will have to buy.
Okay. And we should also have the word here. Least number. I'm just catching up to you. Okay, find the LCM of 6 and 4. Okay. I'm just catching up to you. LCM. All right, keep going. Take it away.
Me?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so for solve?
Yes.
Okay, so multiples of 6, 2 times 3.
Oh, those are called the 2 times 3 would be a factor, which would be the GCF. Remember, when we find the LCM, we skip count. Common misconception kids make, which is a mistake. It's fine. So we're skip counting by 6s, right?
So you want to count by 6. So 6, what comes after 6 if you double it?
12.
Then what's after 12?
24. I mean, 12, 18, sorry.
There you go. Keep going.
24.
Joel, I see your hand. Just hold on.
Okay.
And 36.
Good. Now do the exact same thing for the number 4.
4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32.
Yeah, we can stop there.
All right, now tell me what's the least common multiple.
Oh, There's
So
4.
they all have 12. Then and the 24.
So we see 12 and
Remember
20.
what I said, least common multiple. What is it?
Those don't have
Which is the smaller number, 12 or 24?
12.
Okay.
Good.
Do we
Now we're not done yet though. We're not done yet, guys. All right, so I want you guys to understand something. This goes for the entire class. The stamps come in each pack. How many come in the pack? 6, right? So how many do I need in total? How many packs do I need to get to 12?
Oh, somebody put their hand up. Alicia? Wait, there's 6 in a pack though. And you want to get to 12. If each pack has 6, how many packs do you need? Meaning if this is, yeah, 2 packs of stamps. Now, Mr. R's
Okay, now, Joel, I've seen that hand and you've been eager to answer the question. So if I have 4 packs of envelopes, how many packs do I need to get to 12?
To what? 12. Wait, 4, 8, 3.
Mm-hmm.
Good job. And we need 3 packs of envelopes. What that pretty much means is now we have an equal number of stamps and envelopes. And just to give you a real world example, guys, when you go to the corner store and you have to buy ham and cheese, you want to have the exact same amount. You want to have the exact same cheese and the exact same ham. That way you can have the exact same amount of sandwiches you make at home. All right? These are what we use this for. Does that make sense? Yes? Yes?
Yes?
The same thing for hot dog stands, which you will see an example of a little bit later. Now, Miss Canela, the next one, please.
I was going to ask for Kyrene to please read it and do it for us.
Oh, the next one is on my list was going to be Leah, but go ahead.
Oh, so who do we want? We want Leah or Kyrene?
I have Leah, Tori, Heaven, Jackson. Then I have Emily.
Okay, so we'll,
Helen.
okay.
Yeah.
All right, we'll do Leah then. Go ahead, Leah.
All right. So let me read the question real quick. For exercise, camel swims every 6 days.
Here, so we'll help you out. For exercise, Miss Canella swims every 6 days and jogs every 8 days. She did both today. How many days from now until she swims and jogs together?
Okay.
Go ahead. Tell us what to annotate.
6 days and jogs every 8 days. Swims every 6 days, jogs every 8 days. Both. How many days until she swims and jogs again?
Okay, so swim, you said, equals 6 days, yeah?
Yeah.
And then you said jog in how many days?
8.
8 days. And then we said she did both, right? Okay. What's the restate now?
How many days until she swims and jogs again?
Okay, how many days until, oops, I got to spell right, until she swims and jogs again. All right, how are we going to model this? What are we going to be doing, Leah?
Finding the least common sign
Least common multiple of what two numbers?
of 6 and 8.
Of 6 and 8. Great. Okay, let me see what's going on in this chat over here. Okay, I'm sorry about that. Least common multiple of 6 and 8. Okay, multiples, Leah, of 6. Hold on, Kyrene. 6. Kyrene, private message me what you need to tell me. 6, go ahead. 12.
18. 24.
Good,
30.
good,
36.
good. We're going to stop there. Multiples of 8. Remember, multiples mean you skip count, LCM. 8.
8, 16, 24,
Mhm.
32, 40.
And 48. All right, what number do they share in common, Leah?
They share 24.
They share 24. So that means it will take them 24 days to be together. But now let's go one step farther, right? So we know that the LCM is equal to 24 days. But if it's every 6 days I swim, how many days will I have to swim until I get to 24?
4 days.
Okay, so 4 days to swim. And how many days to jog?
3 days to jog.
All right, and 3 days to jog. And let me just make this up to 30. And 3 days to jog. Now, how did you get 4 and 3? Can you tell your classmates? Because some might be confused.
Because since the least common is 24, right? What I have to do, I have to skip count till I got 24, and that left me with 4 and 3.
Okay, because we know that 6 times 4, we need 1, 2, 3, 4 to get to 24, which represents the swimming days. And the jogging days, we're at 24. We need to go 8, 16, 24, 3 days. Questions, comments, concerns? All right, let's move on to the next problem. Mr.
I'm here,
R?
Miss Canela. Can you hear me?
Yes,
Sorry, I lost video. It says unstable connection.
it's okay. Kyrene had his hand up, and Kyrene, you had your hand up. What did you need? I didn't forget about you.
I wanted to answer the question, but I'm
To
like,
answer the question? Okay, maybe we'll let you do, Mr. R has a list, so he's gonna call on you when it's time. All
He's
right?
next on my list.
Okay, so Mr. R, I guess I should show the video now, right?
If you want to. I won't be able to see it much because of my unstable connection, but
All right, so guys, we're gonna show you a quick video on LCM just to kind of recap it, and then we're gonna omit number 4 because it's gonna take too long, and then Kyrene, you'll do the next problem. Sound like a plan? All right, let me just go back to go get it. Just give me a second. I had it up and I don't know where it went, so sorry about that. All right, here it is. Here's the video. All right, here you go.
All right, so now looking at do now problem number 2. The question says that there are cups of 8 and that there are plates of 12 in a pack. What is the least number? When you see the word least, you think least common multiple. So I'm going to circle where it says circle 1, I'm going to circle LCM. To find the LCM, we're going to skip count, which means we're going to find the multiples of the numbers that they asked for. So LCM, I like to write the word skip count. So we're going to skip count by 8s to figure out what the LCMs are. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8, 64. So those are my multiples of 8. Now, I'm going to skip count and find the multiples of 12. 12 times 1, 12 times 2, 12 times 3, 12 times 4. So those multiples I'm going to write down as the following. 12 times 1, 12. 12 times 2, 24. 12 times 3, 36. 12 times 4, 48. I like to match it up. 12 times 5, 60. 12 times 7, 72. 12 times 8, 84. And 12 times 8, 96. Now, I'm going to circle what they share in common as the least common multiple. They both share a 24 in this situation, and there's no other, and they both share a 48. So now I have to ask myself, which number is the least, the smallest? Is it 24 or 48? And the least common multiple, the LCM, would be 24. Now, I need to figure out.
Now, if you guys notice real quick in the video here, right, what's happening is the LCM is found, and now we're applying that skill to figure out how many packets of cups and how many packets of plates you need, like when you go and plan for a party or something with your family.
How many packs of cups do I need? If each pack has 8, I need to get to 24. 1, 2, 3. I need 3 packs of cups. So 3 packs of cups. Each one has 8. 8 times 3 give me 24. I need to figure out if plates come in packs of 12 and I need to get to 24, I'm going to need 2 packs in order to make that happen. So 2 packs of plates. Again, LCM, you skip count. GCF, factors.
All right, let me, how do I exit this? Here we go. Does anyone have any questions? Anyone have any questions?
I'm good.
We're okay, we're doing good. All right, let's continue back to what we were doing. So again, this problem will be a challenge problem, and I think Kyrene was the next person to read this as per Mr. Rudy, Mr. R. Kyrene? Mr. Morris, are you there?
Yes.
All right, this one's all you, kiddo. Number 5.
He wants to make a
We're having trouble hearing you.
I can't see you or hear you.
Who, me or Kyrene? Me?
Kyrie, I can't see.
Huh?
They
We
couldn't hear
can't see
you.
you.
Yeah, we can't see you. 1, and 2, we can't hear you. So you need to be behind that camera, please.
Okay. Right here.
Thank you, much better. Now, can you try to read the problem again? Ashley? Ashley wants to make egg biscuits to sell at a fundraiser. Eggs come in packs of 12 and biscuits come in packs of 8. What is the least number of packs of eggs and biscuits that Ashley can have to have an equal number of each? Irene, what do we do here for the annotation? What numbers are we writing down in the A column? I'm making a list of students. Mr. R, who's supposed to be next? Because I'm not sure if Kyriem is hearing me or what's going on over here on his end with his internet.
So what I'm noticing is that the next person on my list is going to be Heaven.
Heaven. Okay, Heaven, you're up. Heaven?
Yes.
Great. How you doing?
Good.
Good. Happy you're here. Help us out. What do we annotate? What do we write on the A column?
That she wants to make egg biscuits, and
Mm-hmm.
the eggs come in packs of 12,
Good. And what's next?
and the biscuit comes in packs of 8.
Perfect. What other keywords go under the A column? There's 2 more words. Something number. What kind of number?
Equal. Least.
Okay, we can say least number, and actually I like that we put equal number. Perfect. All right, take it away. Can you tell me what do we have to solve? What's the restate?
Restate is
What are you solving for? Here, there's the question. What do we write?
what is the least number of packs of eggs and biscuits, and can actually lie an equal number of each.
Awesome. How are we going to model this? What method are we using today? What are we finding? What are those 3 letters?
Least common multiple
Of what 2 numbers?
of 12 and 8.
Perfect, of 12 and 8. And I pretty much kind of just modeled this in the video, right? I used 12 and 8. Okay, help me out. I forgot how to skip count. Can you give me the multiples of 12, please?
Multiples of 12, 24, 36,
Mm-hmm.
48, 60.
Good. All right, let's move on to the next one, which was what? The multiples of 8. Help me out. Skip count. 8.
8, 16, 24,
Mm-hmm.
33, 40,
Mhm.
48.
And 48. All right. What numbers do they share in common, Miss Heaven?
24 and 48.
So 24 and 48. Now, my question to you is we have to do something else. What is the LCM of 12 and 8?
24.
Okay. Now, did we finish or we have to do another step?
We have to do another step.
Right. So if there are 12 eggs in a pack and I need to get to 24, how many packs of eggs do I need?
2.
Good. So 2 packs of eggs. Now talk to me about biscuits. If there are 8 biscuits in a pack and I need to get to 24, how many packs of biscuits do I need?
3.
Good. 3 packs of biscuits. Questions, comments, concerns, folks? Ask now. Kyriem, I saw your hand up. What did you need? Kyriem?
I did it by accident.
Okay, you sure?
Yes.
All right. Does everyone understand how Heaven arrived at 2 packs of eggs and 3 packs of biscuits?
Yes.
Okay, because the LCM was 24, so 12 times 2 gives me 24. And to get to 24 here, we have 8, 16, 24. We need 3 of them. All right, let me erase this. Who's up next, Mr. R?
The next person that is up is going to be Jackson, actually. Sorry.
All right. Jackson? Where are you, Jackson?
Two bus services A and B arrive at a station service. A arrives at the station every 15 minutes. Service B arrives at the station every 20 minutes. The first bus arrives at the station at 8 o'clock. When will both buses arrive at the gas station?
Mm-hmm.
So I got a very important question for you, Jackson. If we have, she said A and B already. Is A is 15 and B is 20.
Oh, let me write that down. Sorry about that. Go ahead, Mr. R.
But how do we restate this question? What is the question asking you? Can we go up again, Ms. Canella, and I'll read it over real quick. It says the first bus arrives at the station at 8 o'clock. When will the both buses arrive at the same time again?
We need to find out when will the both buses arrive at the station again.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, good. So that's what we're gonna restate.
When
And what are we gonna be using? Jackson, what are we gonna be using?
what have we been dealing with this whole lesson today? What are the three letters?
LCM.
Good. Of what numbers?
15 and 20.
Good. Now the next part is all about multiples, right? So what's the multiples of 15?
15 times 1 is 15, double 15. 15 times 2,
30.
30.
Good.
Keep going.
Next one.
Let me see your hand, Joelle.
It's okay, Jackson. We're waiting.
What's 30 plus 10 is how much?
40.
And add 5. 40 plus 5 is how much?
45.
Good. Keep going. Add 10 to 45 and then add 5. So 45 plus 10 is how much?
55.
And now 5 more is how much?
60.
Okay. Okay.
Good. Good job. Now multiples of 20. That should be easy. 20, then comes
60.
20, 40, 60. Give me one more.
80.
good. Now where's the lowest common multiple? Do you see that? You see what Miss Canella circled? What is it?
60.
Okay.
Okay, so now let me ask you this now. Are we done yet? No, we're not. Because what time did the buses get to the station? At 8 o'clock, right? How many minutes are in an hour?
60.
60. So if they got there at 8 o'clock, when's the next time they will see themselves again? Both buses at the exact same time.
If it's 8 o'clock now in 1 hour, it's what time?
I see a hand, Jamie.
And me?
9 o'clock.
Perfect.
Good.
Oops. Uh-oh, what am I doing over here? Oh no, I messed it up. Hold on, LCM equals 60, which means answer would be, they would be together at 9 a.m. Okay, this question was an elapsed time question, which also dealt with unit rate, what they just did. Questions? All right, let's move on. Mr. R, who's up next?
Emily.
Emily. You're up, Miss Dennis.
I have a feeling I'm saying that name wrong. Am I saying your name wrong?
No.
We're saying it right?
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, we just want to make sure.
What is the least common multiple? LCM 10 and 12. Sure.
All right, take it away. All you, we're just here to coach you. What do we do? What do we write? A column.
12, the LCM of 12 and 10.
Okay. Go ahead, the R column.
The question is asking for us to find the LCM of 10 and 12.
Next.
LCM 10, 12.
I know this is very redundant, right? It's the same thing, right? Go ahead, you're doing awesome, Emily. Keep going.
Okay.
Multiples of.
Multiples of 10, 10, 20,
Can't keep up with you, man. You're fast.
20,
20,
30,
30.
50.
Okay.
The multiples of 12, 12, 24, 36, 48, and 60.
Okay, are we done?
They both have their least common multiple is 60.
I love how you use the mathematical language. Okay, so I'm going to address something right now. Someone was just showing on the screen. That is not what we do during the lesson. So the LCM is 60.
Someone was doing what?
Somebody was drawing blue on the screen when Emily was telling me what to write. We can find out who that was. So
I can just go to the edit and the history and it'll show me everything.
yeah.
I got you.
All right, so the LCM was 60. Does anyone have any questions on what Emily did? Because you guys are killing it right now. All right, again, office hours will review this again. If you need help, reach out to Mr. R and I, or you can send us a private chat and we'll add you to our list. Got a nice
All
list.
right, can we go to the next one? And I would like Hazel to attack this one.
Oh, we're almost done. This is perfect. Miss Hazel.
Actually, we're going to split this one. We're going to have Hazel do A and R, and Kayla, you're going to take M and S.
Perfect.
Okay?
All right, Hazel. Mr. R, do you want me to read the problem? That way she can just
Oh, Hazel can read it.
Okay, where is she?
Hot dogs come in packs of 10. Hot dogs buns come in packs of 8. What is the least number of each Liam should buy so that each hot dog has a bun with no hot dogs or buns left over?
Okay, so you're going to do the A and R column for us. What do we write for annotations? So hot dogs are what?
10.
In what? In a pack, right?
Yeah. And the buns come in 8.
Good. Now, restate that question. What do we want to find out?
How many hot dogs with no buns are left over?
Good. And what are we using? This is Kayla now, right? Hazel, so you're good. Thank you, Hazel. Kayla.
Kayla, you're up.
I don't see you, Kayla, either.
Hold on. There. I'll press the button. So let's put. Hold on. There's too much noise here. Let it
What have we been working with this entire lesson? What are we finding? 3 letters. The what? Are we finding the GCF or the LCM?
Finding the LCM.
Good, Kayla. And now, Kayla, I would like you to tell me how do we solve? Finding the LCM for what, first of all? What 2 numbers?
The 10 hot dogs and then the 8 buns.
Good. And now multiples of 10 are?
10, 20, 30, 40, 50.
Good. And then, sorry, Miss Kana, I know I'm going pretty fast.
No, it's all right. I got you. Keep doing your thing. I'm catching up.
Multiples of 8 is?
8, 16.
Keep on. Yep.
32,
Mm-hmm.
Yep.
Keep going.
40.
Yep. Good. So now, what is the LCM?
So the things they have in common is 40.
Good. And now, are we done yet? No, we have to find out how many. So let me ask you this question, and maybe this will be easier for you to solve. If I have 10 hot dogs in 1 pack, how many packs should I buy?
Wait, ask the question again.
Sure. If I have 10 hot dogs in 1 pack, how many packs should I buy to get to 40?
Use the multiples to help you. Count. Mm-hmm.
Good. And now if I have 8 hot dog buns in 1 pack, how many do I need to get to 40?
I got it.
Joe, I know, but I need to give other people chances, man. Thank you. I appreciate
Got
you.
this. You just said it before. How many
Yeah,
groups?
you did, actually.
Yeah.
Maybe she's confused. Hold on, let me ask her again. If I have 8 hot dog buns, right, in 1 pack, but I have 40 hot dogs, I need to give all of those hot dogs a bun. So how many packs do I need? If I have 8 buns in 1 pack, 8 times what equals 40?
That's perfect.
Times 4.
What? Keep going. One more.
Times 5.
Right, because look.
Good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Good, Kayla. Thank you for that. And Kayla, I know that you might think that people in the background are distracting you and stuff like that. It's okay. You did your best, and that's what I count. You tried. That's good for me, okay? Don't worry about it.
And you got credit.
Yes, that's the whole point of this. I don't have nobody else. Kyrene, that's the only one that I didn't hear from today.
Okay, so should we just practice on this question? Doesn't hurt.
Oh, I lied. I didn't hear from Tori either.
So do you want them to practice?
But we are up to it's 11:39. We have 6 minutes.
So do you want to just go over what you know what? I got an idea. Want me to do what we did before?
We also got to speak about office hours and see who's going to be there, remember, for 2 o'clock.
All right. So do you want to go over?
So guys, here, listen.
Mr. R, are you there? I'm not sure if we lost Mr. R, but because we had those students that didn't answer. So Kyrene, what is?
Miss Canela, can you hear me?
Now I can.
Hello?
Yes, I can hear you now. Ooh,
So sorry.
it's okay.
Yes. Can you guys hear me now?
Okay. What is the
All
difference?
right, I'm sorry.
What is the difference between GCF and LCM? You said who has to answer that now? Kyrene,
Oh, yeah, that's good.
Yes.
what's the difference between LCM and GCF?
The difference are in LCM we are finding the least common multiple and else. Hey, well, I'm confused.
Wait, so LCM you're finding the least common multiple. And how do you find that? Are you skip counting or putting factors?
Skip counting.
Good. And when you find the GCF, you're listing the what? Starts with an F. What did we do yesterday? We listed the
Factors.
There you go. So let's show you an example. Mr. R, should we show them an example like we did before? All right,
Yes, I don't know if you can hear me, but yes.
sure. All right, Mr. R, you want to give me two numbers? The GCF of
Sure, 8 and 6.
8 and 6. All right, who's doing that? Who did we hear from today?
Tori,
Tori.
give me the GCF.
Tori.
Tori, got it?
Greatest common factor,
Yes, give us the
Yes,
factors.
of the number 8.
1 times 8
Mm-hmm.
and 2 times 4
Okay.
and
And 6?
6. 1 times 6 and 2 times 3.
Mm-hmm.
What's the greatest common factor?
The greatest common factor will be 2.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Tori.
Uh,
Leah, since Leah's not there, Leah, you there?
so this means you list factors.
I don't know if Leah's there. Who else haven't heard from that much today?
Anaya has been
Heard from Kareem. Joel was there. I don't know if he's there. It's just black. Kayla, I heard from.
Andrew. We didn't hear from Andrew.
Yeah, we did. That was the first one.
Oh, okay.
But I don't mind him doing it again. Okay, Andrew, help me out.
Least common multiples of 8 is 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40.
Good. What about 6?
6, 12, 18, 24, and 30,
2 more.
36.
And good. Now, what is the least common multiple?
24.
Good. Now, what I want you guys to do is remember this because this is going to be on the next questions on your Google Classroom. I have posted up a form. The form is everything we did this week, and there's a question on everything we did. There's one on dividing multiple digits, there's another one on GCF, and there's one on LCM. Next week, we're going to dive even deeper into LCM and everything else. Some of you guys I will see tomorrow in the school, actually.
Mm-hmm.
And you'll see both me and Miss Canelo there. One thing that I want to ask you guys for is to help me out and actually do the Google form on time. You do have till tomorrow, till 4:15. Also, reminder, tomorrow I will also be posting up the syllabus quiz that you will have the weekend to complete. Yes, it's a syllabus quiz. If you read the syllabus and you know everything about the syllabus, then you're good to go. If you don't, then you're going to miss out on some things that you need to know. Another reminder is our office hours. Our office hours are from 2 to 4. And I would like to know on a scale of 1, not a scale 1 to 10, but thumbs up, thumbs down, or thumbs in between. If thumbs up if you guys understood today's lesson.
So let's start. Thumbs up if you understood the lesson today. It was fun?
Yup.
What made it fun?
Good.
Well, I'm not sure, but it was fun practicing the math. I'm not that good. So
You killed it today, Joel. You answered all the questions. You was good.
Yeah, thank you for your honesty. You were awesome. All of you were, everyone's math people. Remember, we said that? So good job.
Those of you that are having trouble, by any means necessary, guys, what I want you to do is write Miss Canella, because I can't see my chat board either. I have unstable connection. Just give Miss Canella and tell her that you want extra help. I will send you a Zoom link at 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock where we're giving extra help.
So
You guys should just chatter in the chat box.
I already have a list going for some people in this class. I already sent some people private messages. You're not in trouble. So Kayla, you're going to come, right? Hey, Shadosi, I think you're in the last class. You come back at 1 o'clock, right? All right, I'll see you at 1. Hazel, you're gonna come today at 2, right? And Heaven?
Bye.
Yeah. Who else is coming? Andrew, you gonna come or you good?
I'll ask my mom. Hold on.
I'm good.
Joelle, you're gonna ask your mom? Okay. Oh, look at that puppy. Okay, look at that puppy. All right, Anaya, do you understand the lesson? Do you feel good? Okay. I'll see you either tomorrow, Monday, or Tuesday. We will
See you
post
tomorrow.
Oh, you'll see you tomorrow in person. Okay, great. Tomorrow you can go, Anaya. Heaven, how we doing, Heaven?
I understand it.
Okay, but just come for a few minutes just to review so you can do really well on the other thing, okay? I'll send you a link at 2, yeah? Sound good? Heaven? All right, I'll see you then. Leah, how we doing with this? Are we good?
Yeah, I'm good.
You need
I'm not
Okay, then we'll either see you tomorrow, Monday, or Tuesday, all right? You may go, and Heaven, you may go. Jackson, how we doing, Jackson?
Bye.
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 Jackson, talk to me, how we doing?
Good.
Do you understand what you need to do?
Yeah.
Or do you want to come for a little extra help?
No, it's fine.
How about this? I'm going to send you a link, and you only have to come for a few minutes just to really make sure you know how to do the work, okay? I'll send it to you at 2 today. You may go. Oh, Joelle, how cute's your puppy? You too with the puppy?
Yep.
Oh,
She's a Maltese poodle.
she's a multi-poodle. My Selena is a Yorkie. How old?
She's about 7 months.
Oh, she's a baby. So, Joelle, you said that you weren't really not into math, but today you did awesome. Do you feel you want to come for office hours just to review?
I'll ask my mom.
What did your mom say? I think, yeah, right? Just come for a little bit, okay?
Mhm.
Joelle, what's your last name?
Abreu.
What?
Abreu.
Abrio?
EU.
Oh, okay. I'll send you a link at 2, okay?
Okay.
Great job today. Hey, Tori, how you doing, Tori?
Good.
Yeah, you feel confident with LCM, GCF, and dividing whole numbers?
Yes.
So you don't need to come to office hours?
No, I'm good.
You sure?
Yes.
All right, if you change your mind, just send me an email, all right?
Okay.
All right, you have a great day, and maybe I'll see you tomorrow if you come to school.
No, I'm not going to go in person.
All right, then whatever we do in the classroom, we'll stream it in Google Classroom for you to see, and we'll see you then back on Tuesday.
Are we supposed to log in on Zoom from 9 o'clock?
Tomorrow?
Yes.
You know what? I am going to get back to you about that because I'm not 100% sure. I'm going to say yes. I'm going to try to stream it, or Mr. R is going to try to stream it in the classroom. So you can see kind of, I'll try to stream in our math classroom. All right. If not, whatever activity we do, we'll just post it up for you to look at the recording. But do you want it? You want to create an extra? I have an extra credit assignment if you want to do it. I just thought of it. Do you want to create like 2 problems on GCF and LCM, and you can email them to me on a Google Doc?
Okay.
You want to do that? You can make any 2 problems up that you want. 2 on GCF, 2 on LCM, and you can email it to me and be creative. Okay. All right. Do you know my email?
Yes.
Okay. I'll see you then. Bye.
Thank you.
Have a great day. Bye.